Hey guys, welcome back to section 9, safeguarding children and adults at risk mock test. Now this mock test is designed to help you prepare for the upcoming SERU test if you do have one, and if you do have one, good luck. Just my quick advice is make sure before you do watch this video to get yourself, as always, in exam condition. That means no distractions, put away all your phones, wear headphones if you have to, prepare yourself in the way that you feel like it would be in an exam. So make sure you put all distractions away and really try your best on these tests. My advice is don't skip any questions. Even if you're not sure, try pick an answer. But before we start this video, I just want to quickly put your attention to this new course I made. So just watch this short little video. Before we start this video, I want to introduce you guys to the SERU revision guide. In this guide, you will find practice questions for the SERU test. This handbook covers sections from 1 to 10 and is a perfect revision tool for people trying to pass the SERU test. The question in this handbook will not be in the YouTube videos I upload and is exclusive only for the handbook. So these questions are only in the handbook. The guidebook is only £20 and for the price is really good. So make sure you scan the QR code on the screen and buy it, or press the link in the description. That's right guys, I made a SERU preparation revision guide with a lot of practice questions. There are a lot of practice questions on it. So if you are interested in it, and I think it will help you guys, do make sure you scan the QR code somewhere on the screen and do go buy it. Right now it's only $19.99, so I think it's really worth it. It got a lot of practice questions, and the benefit of this guide is the questions that are on this practice guide, they won't be on YouTube videos. They won't be on any of my YouTube videos, so it's worth buying. And it will, if you are someone who is struggling, I really suggest you do look into this practice guide. It's only $19.99 and I think it's quite worth it. But yeah, we're going to get into it. Question 1. Why are all children susceptible to harm and abuse as indicated by the statement? Due to their age, which makes them easy targets for harm, because they lack the ability to communicate effectively, because they're often unaware of their surroundings, due to their physical strength being underdeveloped. Now pick an answer, pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is A, due to the age, which makes them easy targets for harm. Question 2. What should you ensure when your passenger is an unaccompanied child? A. Make sure the child has a mobile phone to contact their parents during the journey. Inform your operator about the presence of a unaccompanied child and obtain the name of the adult meeting the child at the journey's end. Ask the child if they have any allergies or medical conditions. Share the child's details with other drivers to ensure their safety during transit. So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is B. Inform your operator. Question 3. Whose responsibility is it to ensure the safety of children and the vulnerable adults from harm and abuse? Is it A, solely the responsibility of the social worker and the police? B, primarily the responsibility of the parents and guardians? C, the responsibility of everyone, not limited to social workers or the police? D, mainly the responsibility of community organizations and religious institutions? Now pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is C, the responsibility of everyone, not limited to social workers or the police. Question 4. What is the term used to describe gangs and organized crime groups using children and young adults to sell drugs? Is it A, youth drug syndication, criminal trafficking networks, country lines operations, undercover juvenile distribution? Now pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is C, country line operations. Question 5. What are some potential signs indicating that a child or vulnerable person is at risk? A, young or vulnerable individuals frequently visiting local businesses during regular hours. B, adults giving children gifts and treats on special occasions. C, an adult taking a child to school on weekdays. D, young people being taken to hospitals or suspected brothels at unusual time, meeting strangers online, displaying signs of abuse or neglect, and adults exhibiting signs of control over other adults' decisions and finances. So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is D. Question 6. What is a recommended course of action if you are concerned about an incident or situation involving potential harm or danger according to the provided information? Is it A, keep your observations to yourself and avoid involvement? B, discuss the situation with friends and family to gather their opinions? C, maintain a record of the incident including dates, times, descriptions, and people involved. Share these details with the authorities if necessary. D, confront the people involved in the situation to get a clear understanding of their intention. So pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is C. Maintain a record of the incident, including dates, times, descriptions, and people involved. Share these details with the authorities if necessary. Question 7. What action must you take if you believe you have encountered a child or adult at risk requiring assistance due to signs of abuse or the direct disclosure? Is it A, share the information with your friends and colleagues to gather their opinions? B, keep the situation confidential to avoid causing unnecessary concern. Report the situation to both your operator and the police. Share the details on social media to raise awareness about the issue. Now pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is C. Report the situation to both the operator and the police. Question 8. What should you do if you are concerned about a worrisome incident or situation involving potential harm? Is it A, ignore the situation and hope it resolves on its own? Share your concerns with your colleagues, friends for the input. Maintain a written or record of the incident including dates, times, descriptions, and details of the individuals involved. Provide these details to the police. Or D, take immediate action to intervene without documenting any details. Now pause the video now and pick an answer. The answer is C. Maintain a written or recorded of the incident, including dates, time, descriptions, and details of the individuals involved. Provide these details to the police. And that's the end of the question. As mentioned, guys, I do have a course. If you want, you can scan the QR code if you're watching on a TV, for example, or if you're on a laptop on your phone. If you just scroll down to the description, you should find a link that should direct you to the website that has the course. As mentioned, it's only £19.99 right now, and I think it's really good, especially if you are preparing for the SERU test. So do check it out, guys. And yeah, and good luck on the test. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe as well, because I do have more section videos coming up. And if you are struggling on any particular section, do post it in the comments and I will try to answer as many comments as I can, or I'll thank you guys for watching and have a good day.